So what usually happens in December in real estate? Prices come down, and the most savvy buyers are the ones that are out there getting the best prices. I'm Bawanka with the Compass team, and this is your November market update. We're going to be talking about November 2025, comparing it with November of 2024, a year ago, and also comparing it to 1 month ago, October 2025. Now, the most important thing, the thing that everybody always wants to know, what is the average price? The average price is just under $1,040,000. The average price is $1,039,000. Whereas in October of 2025, the average price was $1,054,000. So average price came down about 15,000. Now, average price is always going to fluctuate. If we look back to November of 2024, average price was $1,010,000. So price hasn't changed too much over the last year, but we always do see ups and downs, and that's actually what I want to get into first, and I want to talk about December. Now, if you see this graph starts in 2021 and it goes basically until right now. But what I want you to keep in mind is where the dips are, the down dips. And also where things come up, and I'll kind of let you know everything kind of in between. So if you look right in the beginning, June 2021, this is going to be the lowest that it's going to start, and then this is where things got crazy in the market, and you see it just prices start going higher, but then as they get to November, December, they start to kind of level off. And whenever December comes, you're always going to see that level off or that dip, because again, less people are out there buying, and more people are waiting for January to be listing. So then you see what happens when January comes, market goes up like crazy. July comes, and then it starts coming down. So you're always going to see throughout this graph, when December comes, the prices are going down, and when July and August come, the prices go down. Why? Because these are the busiest times in people's lives. Other things are important during December and during July and August. July and August, you're out enjoying summer. We only get so much summer, so people always want to enjoy that. But December, that's where, everything is coming to an end. It's colder, and you just say, New Year is coming. I'm going to be starting things in the new year. So now let's look ahead to December 2022. Again, you can see the dip goes down. Then January comes, new year, new me, let me get my new place. This is what happens. People start buying again. Then April and May comes, and people start buying even more. Statistically speaking, April and May, the spring market, this is when prices are going to go up. People are going to be out, and they're going to be looking for a new place to buy. This is just always has been happening over time. Then July and August comes. Again, you see the dip down, and then August is kind of going to be that bottom. September comes. Okay, kids are back to school. Let's get out. We've been talking about this for a long time. Now let's get back to it. And then again, November comes, December comes, bottoms out. That's 2022. You're going to see the exact same thing happen 2023. August, it starts to bottom out. December, again, it's the lowest time is always you're going to see in that year is December. The next year, 2024, same sort of thing. August and December is where the prices are always going to be lowest, but December is where it bottoms out the most. And then again, what you're seeing this year, August, again, prices went up after that, but you're seeing the trend. November is low, and December is going to be even lower than that, is what I'm predicting. And I just helped a client get a place that literally sold in June of 2025, this year, and it sold for $850,000. This place, before that, back in 2021, 2022, was selling over $1 million. But we're talking about 4 or 5 months ago. Now, in December, this exact same unit, one floor lower, same layout, everything is exactly the same, okay? That one was sold at $860,000. We just helped our clients get the exact same place, one floor lower, at $750,000. That's a $100,000 savings over just a couple of months. So this is why I say savvy buyers are out there, and they're getting great prices in December. So if you're somebody who's, maybe you've been thinking about buying, you're someone who, hey, maybe I want to time the market. I'm not here saying, hey, you know what, January, the prices are going to go through the roof. All I just want you to do is understand and see this is the trend. This is what usually happens. The majority of people are waiting until the new year, are waiting until what's going to happen in April and May. That's when all the houses are going to be coming out. The savvy buyers, the people who want great price and the property that they want, are out there. They're looking right now and they're making offers. So I'm not going to get into all of the transactions and everything like that. One thing that's important to know is the months of inventory is at 4.9, meaning if all of the current listings were going to sell, and no new listings were going to come on, it would take 4.9 months for all of those to come on. I mean, the one other thing I want to talk about is transactions. There's 5,000 transactions in November. This is like very few. Like healthy market, we're having like over 8,000, 10,000 transactions. So not a lot of people are buying. A lot of people are sitting on the sidelines. We have an announcement coming tomorrow, December the 10th, and we're going to see what's going to happen, but the rates have been coming down, and Bank of Canada said rates are going to still keep on coming down, but I'll be talking about that again in January. But for anybody who's ever thought about, hey, can I get a great deal in December? Trust me when I say it's not just this year. Many years I've been out there helping people get amazing deals in December. So I'm Bawanka with the Compass team, and this is your market update, but also just letting you know what's happening in December's, historically speaking.